So let's learn and enjoy mathematics.
Our lesson is about number patterns. What is number pattern? Number pattern, it is a list of numbers that follows a certain sequence or configuration. Let us see what could be the different sequence of the following pattern. What is arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence, the pattern is by adding. So let us see from the different example what could be the pattern of 3, 8, 13, and 18. So what could be the number to be added to make it 8? That is 5. What could be the number to be added to make it 13? 5. The number to be added to make it 18, that is 5. So it means the next term after 18, so 18 plus 5, that is 23. 23 plus 5, that is 28. Plus 5, that is 33. Second, our given is 5, 15, 25, and 35. To make it 15, so that we need to add 10. So 5 plus 10, 15. To make it 25, 15 plus 10, that is 25. To make it 35, 25 plus 10, that is 35. So the pattern is adding. So it means the next three terms after 35, that is 45, plus 10, 55, plus 10, 65. How about the third example? 1, 5, 9, and 13. The first term, that is 1. So let us see how to get 5. So we need to add 4. To get 9, add 4. To get 13, we need to add 4. So it means 13 plus 4, that is 17. Plus 4, that is 21. Plus 4, that is 25. What is geometric sequence? Geometric sequence, the pattern is by multiplying. So let us see in the next example if this is geometric sequence, 5, 10, 20, and 40. So what do you think is the number to be multiplied to make it 10? So that is 2. 5 times 2, 10. To make it 20, 10 times 2, 20. To make it 40, 20 times 2, that is 40. So this example is the geometric sequence. What could be the next three terms after 40? So 40 times 2, that is 80. 80 times 2, that is 160. 160 times 2, that is 320. Next example, that is 1, 3, 9, and 27. What could be the number to be multiplied in the first term? So 1 times 3, 3. To make it 9, 3 times 3, 9. To make it 27, 9 times 3 is 27. So what could be the next three terms after 27? So 27 times 3, that is 81. 81 times 3, 243. 243 times 3, that is 729. How about number 3? 1, negative 2, 4, and negative 8. What could be the number to be multiplied to make it negative 2? So that is negative 2. 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4. Positive 4 times negative 2, that is negative 8. So it means after negative 8 times negative 2, that is positive 16. Positive 16 times negative 2, that is negative 32. Negative 32 times negative 2, that is positive 64. So this three example, that is geometric sequence. What is harmonic sequence? Harmonic sequence, it is formed by taking the reciprocals of an arithmetic sequence. The pattern is by adding to the denominator. So let us see in the given example 1 over 4, 1 over 7, 1 over 10, and 1 over 13. What could be the number to be added in the denominator? So that is 3. 4 plus 3, 7, plus 3, 10, plus 3, 13. So it means 13 plus 3, that is 1 over 16, plus 3, 19, so 1 over 19, plus 3, that is 22, so 1 over 22. Next example, that is 1 over 3, 1 over 5, 1 over 7, and 1 over 9. What could be the number to be added in the denominator? So that is 2. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. So it means 9 plus 2, that is 11. So 1 over 11 plus 2, 13. 1 over 13 plus 2, 15. So 1 over 15. Third example, 1 half, 1 over 6, 1 over 10, and 1 over 14. What could be the number to be added in the denominator? So that is 4. 2 plus 4, that is 6, plus 4, 10, plus 4, 14. So it means 14 plus 4, that is 18. So 1 over 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 1 over 22. And then 22 plus 4, that is 26. 1 over 26. So always remember the harmonic sequence, that could be the reciprocals of an arithmetic sequence. Let us see the different special sequence. First, that is triangular number sequence. In triangular number sequence, it is generated from a pattern of dots which form a triangle. First, this is form a triangle with 3 dots. So 3, and then to form a triangle, we need to add 3 dots. So 3 plus 3, that is 6. To form a triangle, we need to add 4 dots. So 6 plus 4, that is 10. To form a triangle, we need to add 5 dots. So 10 plus 5, that is 15. So to form another triangle, we need to add 6. 15 plus 6, that is 21. If we want to try to form another triangle, we need to add 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 21 plus 7, that is 28. Another special sequence, that is number 2, square numbers. Square numbers, that is the pattern, is made up of squares of terms in a sequence. If that is 1 square, 1 times 1, that is 1. So 1 squares. And then 2 times 2, or 2 square. Third special sequence, that is cube numbers. Cube numbers, this pattern is made up of cubes of terms in a sequence. That is 1 cube, it means 1 times 1 times 1, that is 1. 2 cube, that is 2 times 2 times 2, that is equal to 8. 3 cube, so 3 by 3, so 3 cube, that is 3 times 3, 9 times 3, that is 27. So it means if that is 4 cube, it means 4 times 4 times 4, that is 64. If that is 5 cube, 5 times 5 times 5, that is 125. Fourth kind of special sequence, that is Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence, it is a series of numbers in which each number other than the first two, so the first two, that is 1, and then copy 1, is the sum of the two preceding numbers. So this is the two preceding numbers. Let us get the sum. So 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 5, 8. 5 plus 8, 13. 8 plus 13, 21. 31 plus 21, 34. 21 plus 34, 55. 34 plus 55, that is equal to 89. Fifth special sequence, that is Pascal's Triangle. Pascal's Triangle, this pattern begins from 1 at the top and then continues by placing numbers below in a triangular form. So the pattern begins from 1 at the top and then continues by placing a number. So 1 and then 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2, and then left and right, that is 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. And then placing numbers from right and then left, that is 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. And then putting 1 on left and then right. 1 plus 4, 5. 4 plus 6, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. 4 plus 1, 5. And then putting left and right. So as you can see, it forms a triangular form. Instruction: write the kind of pattern. Provide your answers in the comment section.
Enjoy learning mathematics. I'm Teresa Tubal. Thank you so much.